Alright guys, you guys have seen the title, you guys have seen the thumbnail, and it's about time I show it. I got the Spin Master Brodozer. This will be making the sign-up series debut in sign-up series number 10, which is going to have a special twist to it. And you know what, let's just get to unboxing this fella.
Figure. Well, the poster I'm going to look at real quickly off camera. Well, not off camera, but not on camera at the moment.
And it's zombie. Alright, on the back. Alright. And this is from Mix 3. So, yeah. Don't be all wondering why I'm making reviews on these trucks now. Is because I strayed away from Monster Jam collecting for a while. Okay, rolls really pretty well, because if I started hearing squeaks, that would usually mean that it would kind of turn when it runs. Hold on, let me test it out real quick. Nope, it runs pretty straight. That means if it runs pretty straight, that means that if it doesn't squeak or turn at all, this will be a good pick for sign-up series number 10. We've already had another debuting monster truck, and that is Darth Vader. Also, the first ever Spin Master monster truck to ever win a sign-up series was Bakugan Dragonoid. And Big Kahuna is still a pretty good Spin Master monster truck, since it doesn't turn, but it has been slowing down lately, by slowing down, I mean, it hasn't been doing really well in the sign-up series, so hopefully Brodozer can do better. I mean, this is a new, nice truck. So, I really like Brodozer. I honestly think it's one of the coolest diesel monster trucks ever. Yellow figure. I don't really care for the figures, but you know, accessory is an accessory. It's the same thing as it was with Radical Rescue. My first Radical Rescue monster truck was Spin Master Farm, and now my first Brodozer monster truck is Spin Master Farm. Well, same thing with Big Kahuna as well. Same. Spin Master Farm. So, yeah, I honestly think that the Spin Master trucks are a whole lot better than Mattel version. No offense to Mattel, they still do make great trucks. Especially Ice Cream Man, that was an amazing truck. Especially when it was first released, man, that was amazing. But yeah, I just think definitely Spin Master wins on body design, 100%, and detailing. But when it comes to speed, that's a little bit different. But, you know, that's how it is. Anyways, that's Brodozer. Thank y'all for watching.